Attention CBSE, ICSE and IB Class 10 passing achievers. Now prepare in a stress-free environment.
With flexible timings that respect your learning style. Sri Chaitanya launches a powerful new intermediate program, Acharya.
Expert faculty,
Unmatched quality teaching,
state-of-the-art facilities,
smart classrooms,
limited strength, maximum personal attention.
apart from academics, sports and games.
Extracurricular excellence,
A truly holistic,
student-centric,
happy learning experience.
specially designed for day scholars.
SE classrooms for boys and girls. From 8:30 am to 3 pm. Now across the Telugu states. With Acharya,
Become a ranker in IIT, JEE and NEET.
Acharya, an exclusive program for CBSE, ICSE, IB 10th pass outs.